ready, huh? Ready for the game. Very simple. Pick a card. I've got a pack of cards here. Yes. Alright. The cards are here. You pick one. Ready? But don't show me, yeah? Only show your audience. Before. Show the audience, don't show me. Okay, go. Pick one. Anyone. Point. Just point. Just point to the card. This one, huh? Alright. Show your friends. Yes, thank you. Put it back there. Put it in the middle. You mix it up, you mix it up. Just shuffle. Okay, then nobody knows where the card. Okay, hold on. Now we're gonna put right we go down. Here. Oh, sweet. Now the trick is this. I tell you what to do. You aim here, have a fly up. Ready? When I count to 3 on the children, say bang, okay? 1, 2, 3, bang! Hey, why you shoot the flower? You must have a target, right? Look here. I give you a target. Halfway, don't shoot anywhere else, huh? Here. 1, 2, shoot! Hey! Why shoot the cloud? I tell you what, here. Here, hold it, huh? Okay, ready? Hey, now you shoot there, ready? Done? 1, 2. Hey! Why shoot the bottle? I tell you what. I give you a bigger target in this one, huh? Target lah, bigger. Can see now, right? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait. Is that a kind of big yes or no? Yeah, huh? No? Wait. What was the kind you pick? Huh? 4. You didn't mean that. Sit down. All right, very good. You do a good job. Thank you.